Rahim. Assalamu alaikum students. Now in this lecture we will study about 6.1 and 6.11, that is elimination. Elimination is the process through which we eliminate, we remove any variable from the equation. In this he is saying eliminate x from the following equations by substitution method. Substitution method is given in your book in this exercise 6.11. By substitution method, question number 1, part 1, ax minus b is equal to 0 and cx minus d is equal to 0. By substitution means that we take the value of x from one equation, any one of these two equations, which is the easier one, and we put in the other equation. From equation 1, ax is equal to b, take this b from left to right, or x is equal to b by a. Now we have taken this value of x from equation 1. Now we will put this equation in equation number 2. Putting the value of x in equation number 2. C b over a minus d is equal to 0, or b c over a minus d is equal to 0. Or take LCM, BC minus AD divided by A is equal to 0. By cross multiplying, BC minus AD is equal to 0 multiplied by A, or BC minus AD is equal to 0. Now this is the equation in which x is not present. X is eliminated here. We have eliminated x from this. So this is called elimination. This process is known as elimination. There are two methods in 6.11 by substitution method. So substitution method is that we take the value of variable of x from any one equation and put that value in another equation and simplify it. So which is the required equation in which x is eliminated. So now I solve part 3. X plus a is equal to b, and x square plus a square is equal to b square. This is a square form, so we take the value from equation 1. X is equal to b minus a. Shift this value a from left to right when we take it, so sign is changed, so b minus a. Putting this value in equation number 2, we have taken this value from equation 1, so now we will put this value in equation number 2. So putting the value of x in equation number 2, and we get b minus a whole square, because this square, plus a square is equal to b minus a whole square, so we have to use the formula square term, that is b square minus 2ab plus a square plus a square is equal to b. This is the formula, b square minus 2ab plus b square, and a square as it is equal to b square. So b square minus 2ab plus a square minus b square is equal to 0. Take this value of b square from right to left. Now b square and b square cancel. A square, A square. So that is minus 2ab plus 2a square is equal to 0. Or we can also write 2a square minus 2ab is equal to 0. If you want to simplify more than this, so 2a is common, a minus b is equal to 0, which is our required answer. So which is the required equation? So yeah, this is the way how to eliminate. Last part I solved from this question number 1. Fifth part, x minus m is equal to L, and L minus m into x plus a is equal to 0. So again we take the value from 1. X is equal to L plus m. Putting the value of x in equation number 2. So L minus m, L plus m plus a is equal to 0. So here simple a minus b into a plus b formula, that is L square minus m square plus a is equal to 0, which is the required equation. We have taken the value from 1 and we have to put this value in equation number 2. L plus m, this is one value of x, complete. So we have to write this one in bracket, because this complete is multiplying with this. X पूरे का पूरा इससे multiply हो रहा है, so ये पूरी value इससे multiply होगी. If you don't put the bracket, so it means that only L is multiplying with this. So we have to put this bracket here. Now in question number 2, eliminate Vi. Vf is equal to Vi plus At. S is equal to Vit plus half of At. These are the basically equation which you will study in physics later on. It is final velocity, initial velocity, acceleration, time, distance. So वो कह रहे हैं कि Vi को remove करना है, eliminate करना है. So we take the value of Vi from here. From equation 1, Vi is equal to Vf minus At. We have to put this value, shift this value At from right to left, so Vf minus At. Putting the value of Vi in equation number 2. So S is equal to Vf minus At plus into T. Again, this Vi complete is multiplying with T. So complete value is multiplying with T. So Vf into T minus At square plus 1 over 2 At square. अब इन दोनों का जब आप एलसीएम लोगे, सिंप्लीफाई करोगे तो डायरेक्टली यू कैन आल्सो सिंप्लीफाई. Vft plus 1 over 2 At square minus At square. Take the LCM. I have written plus value first, minus बाद में. डायरेक्टली भी हो जाएगा लेकिन ये इजी हो जाएगा. 2, so 180 square minus 280 square. So 180 square minus 280 square. It means that minus 80 square divided by 2. 1 minus 2 means minus 1. Or this means that, this implies that S is equal to VFT minus half AT square, which is the required equation. Again, I repeat, Vf is equal to Vi plus At. So we have to remove this Vi. So Vi is equal to Vf minus At. Put this value on this. So Vi complete is multiplying with T. So Vf minus At is multiplying with T. So Vft minus At square. Simplify these At square and At square, right terms? So simplify it. I have written plus value first, minus later. So this one. And simple minus 80 square, so minus half 80 square. So I solve one more question from this third part. The third part is also like this. I solve second part. Vi is equal to Vi plus At, and 2As is equal to Vf square minus Vi square. From equation 1, Vi is equal to Vf minus At. Putting the value of Vi in equation number 2. So 2As is equal to Vf square minus Vf square, Vf minus At whole square. So Vf square minus Vf square minus 2A square T square, sorry, 2 Vf At plus A square T square. Now open this one, so we get Vf square minus Vf square plus 2 Vf At minus A square. Both are cancelled. So we have 2As is equal to 2Vf At minus A square T square. Take 2A common, 2A, only A is common. So 2 Vf T minus At square. So A and A cancel. So 2S is equal to 2Vf T minus At square, which is the required equation. इसको अगर आप 2 पे डिवाइड कर लो तो Vf T minus half At square, which is the required equation. I again repeat, Vf is equal to Vi plus At. So Vi is equal to Vf minus At. Put this value in equation number 2. So Vf square minus Vf minus At whole square. So we apply the formula here, Vf square minus 2Vf At plus A square T square. Open the bracket, minus sign is there, so all the signs will be changed here. So minus Vf square minus minus plus minus plus minus. So So VF square cancelled. So 2VFAT minus A square T square. A is common, so we have taken. So left is 2VFT minus AT square. A and A cancel. 2S is equal to 2VFT minus AT square. Dividing 2S, 2 cancel, minus half of AT square. So this is the way how to get the answer and how to eliminate by substitution method. Okay, thank you very much.